to my channel. So this is gonna be a very quick get ready with me. I'm gonna go have breakfast slash lunch with my husband, so I just want to do something simple. This is simple. If you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm doing this pretty quickly because my husband is coming home for, we're gonna go for breakfast. He had to go to work for something and then he's done. So maybe it'll be lunch, but it'll be my breakfast. I want to go in again using the Hard Candy Rose Gold Eyes Shadow Palette. I want to do something kind of simple. I'm wearing camo, so I don't want anything that's gonna like too florally or too, you know, I want something a little basic today. So I'm gonna take this color here. This is gonna be my transition color, and then I'm gonna take this color, and I think I want to do this one for the lid because this one's like a green. So this will be my transition, and then this will be in the crease. So let's start. And my eyes are watering as always. So I don't know if you guys saw my come shop with me. I was at Burlington. I was in New York. I had some errands to run. I did do my nails, so that's nice. I haven't done them in a while. Trying to unzip my pants and stuff. Took me back to when I used to do them, and it was like, oh my god, you know, you're in the bathroom and you got to go. But they look nice. So, and I've been off this week, so I didn't have to be, you know, I don't do my nails because I work in computers all day, and the keyboard, like, I can't afford to make too many mistakes, and I feel like with the nails I'm always tapping on the key ahead of what I need. I like them. So I'm gonna take that other color, just put it here, and I'm not doing anything to, you know, dress. This is kind of like an everyday, you know, I don't have that much time look, because I should have been ready already, and instead I was messing around with other stuff. But so yeah, I did the come shop with me at Burlington. I found some pretty things. I didn't really find like what I was looking for. I wanted like sweaters, like some cardigans. I'm gonna take this color here just because I want it a little darker. And I didn't find exactly what I was looking for, but I found the top, and I found some motor brushes, which I was surprised to see there, because I pick up motor brushes when I go, like when I go to the makeup shows and stuff. I rack up on those, and sometimes I'll see them in Walmart, but the packs are like 16 bucks, and these were packages of $2.99, $3.99. So I was like, what? Alright, I'm gonna go back with this color here, just to clean that up. And I want to actually go. I'm hoping my husband doesn't have anything planned, because sometimes he's like, let's go to the supermarket and let's go here. Like, let's go to Pep Boys. Let's go to the car parts. I want to look at no, I don't want to look at that. And then this one up top. So I'm hoping we can check like Primark, Old Navy, you know, see what they got. I know there's a lot of holiday stuff out. So for the eyes, I want to use, I'm just going with the L'Oreal Voluminous Smoldering Eyeliner in black. this color and a little bit of the black and just smoke out the bottom so that it's balanced. I think I'm gonna start with the black. So I'm going to put a little powder just because I'm getting a little bit too much fallout. And then I'm going to take the green and I'm going to put it in the lid. But usually I use my fingers. Let's see if I can. That's the green. I'm gonna take this smaller brush and try to pack on that green. Like that. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of the black, put that over here. And then I'm gonna take these two, which I use for my transition and the crease, and just clean it up. And if you hear Sammy, you already know the deal. Alright, so I'm gonna take the other side of the brush and I'm gonna tap this color here, which is like a shimmering wine color, and just put a little bit here. There. Now I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna spray my face, and I'm using the Pop Makeup Magnet Mist. I picked this up at the Generation Beauty. It has like a minty scent. Take the Wet n Wild Blossom Glow, and I'm gonna just put a little. I already have highlight, but I think I want a little more. Okay, so now I'm going to do my mascara. I'm gonna use my L'Oreal. I'm gonna get really close to the lash line up top, and then I'm gonna go in with my MAC Bold and Bad Lash, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I did my mascara, and that's how it's looking. I want to comb my brows because, where is it? Oh, so on my lips, I already had, this is the lip gloss I showed you guys in the haul from Bebe's. I used a nude liner and lined them. It is like, gold, but I like it. I think it looks nice. So let me see, just gonna This is the LA Girls Ultimate Lip Liner in Non-Stop Nude. I'm gonna take the Milani number 9 Red Vino. I'm gonna do a little more blush. And that's that. So it was pretty quick. It's a lot of product, I know. I said it was going to be simple, but I gotta go, and I don't like too much bare. So this is the look. With my camo, I'm going to put on my hoops, and we's done. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little get ready with me. Pretty simple. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.